Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create an image change hover effect with entrance animation. So let's get started. So once you're on your Wix Studio editor, on the right hand side under site, click on the three dots and now enable advanced settings. Now set your height to 100 VH, and now on the top left hand side click on the plus icon and now click on add container, and now turn on advanced settings again. Set the width to 100 VW and set the height to 100 VH. Now set the background opacity to 0. Now just click on the container and click on add media, and now just add your images over here. Now on the top left hand side under the plus icon, click on the layers tab and now rename your images. Now just edit this page according to your branding and make all the text over here. Make sure that once you're adding individual elements on the top, you should also stack them. Now once you're done with that, add another container, and now on the right hand side click on apply CSS grid, and now just select the 2x2 layout. Now change the background opacity to 0 so that you see the image. Now what you need to do is to add a new container to each section of the 2x2 grid. Now stretch each one of these out, and now change the background opacity to 0%. Now go to the layers tab and also rename the container so that there's no confusion. Now add another container to the main section and set the background color to black. Now just add your logo and the animation you want on this plus icon. Now go back to the layers panel and add this whole container under your main container. Now add another container to this section and now choose the background color to be white. Now on the top right, go to the animations icon and add an entrance animation. Just choose anyone, and now drag this container under your main container as well. Now on the left hand side, start clicking on the containers one by one, and on the right hand side go to the animations icon and now give animations to each one of them individually. So just choose a hover animation and now click on add, and now choose image 1 as the animated element, and now once you're animating container 2, make sure to choose image 2 as the animated element, and now do these for all of them. And now finally add the entrance animation of the main side container. Now select slide and now choose the settings as you like, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.